Hello Leo, welcome to Tarot Bubble channel. Welcome to your mid-February tarot reading. We're gonna be doing love reading again because it's a love month still, after all. So before we proceed, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And now let's take a look at your mid-February. Mid-February for Leo. Oh, okay, the cards are coming, jumping out. Mid-February for Leo. Alright, let's start. That's your energy, your energy, your energy, the other person, the other person, the other person here, and you're shared. Okay. Ace of Pentacles, you definitely want to start something new with the other person. Leo, you want to begin something new with them. You're giving them an offer to take and to begin this new journey with you. That's pretty nice, Leo. Now, why is it though that the other person seems to be rejecting your offer? They're probably still confused right now. They probably feel that they're still like um, messy. They're in a messy surrounding. And they want to get to a more peaceful, calmer situation. Right now they feel like it's not the right time. They actually feel like they have to leave. So it looks like you're not on the same page here, Leo. It could be a Taurus person that you're thinking about, or you really want to start a family with them. This is marriage. Is this a marriage proposal here? Are you proposing to them? Because this is card of structures, the traditional way, and one of them is marriages. So it looks like you do want to build a family with them or propose to them. Again, they're not feeling the same way because to them it feels like this relationship is not an equal kind of relationship. Somebody for them is giving more than the other, and somebody's taking more than the other. It's not a balance like this. This is the balanced kind of relationship. Whereas they feel the other way around. To them, it's not an equal give and take. So it may take a lot for you, Leo, to propose to them or to convince them to begin something new with them. You definitely are opening up to them. You definitely are giving out your best and giving it your all. If you, maybe they're feeling like, like this is not an equal kind of relationship, like they're giving more than you because it looks like in the past you've been keeping your doors closed, keeping your cards closed, keeping things to yourself. But you've realized that already and you are opening up to them. You definitely are slowly opening up. And you're giving all your best, you're giving out your everything. You're sharing now. Absolutely. And they seem to like it. Leo, it may be Aries person also because of the Emperor card, but they seem to like it. They feel that now there's equality. They can also feel that they are in control of their lives. Maybe before they feel like um, they're not in control because they're probably giving out too much, but now they feel like they're slowly getting there and taking back control of their life. And because of that, they feel like there's a chance for this to happen. And because they feel like that you're opening up to them. Well, that's nice, Leo. And this relationship for sure will be a success. That's victory right there. That's your card also, Leo, the victory card. Being proud and flaunting your relationship to the world. You're so proud of your partner, and they are feeling the same way because this is your shared energy here. What a beautiful reading. One of the best so far I've read. It may not start out um, that great because there's some hesitance on the other party, but in the end, look at this. You both are going to be working well together and working for this relationship together, and you both will be happy and proud about it and feeling victorious and successful. The Six of Wands, just feeling the success of both of you being together and in love. Amazing. I do hope you enjoyed this reading, Leo, and I hope you get to have a great Valentine's Day. It looks like it. Looks like a great Valentine's Day for you. And the rest of February as well. Do hope you enjoy it. And again, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you again soon. Ciao.